Today I'm sharing home decorating ideas on a budget. We're going to look at Pottery Barn and West Elm for inspiration, and then I'll show you how to get the look for less from Walmart. Even if you can't afford to shop at these stores right now, the ideas and inspiration are free. Don't feel like you need to spend a fortune to make your home look expensive. There's usually a Walmart dupe to make it look like you did. The best designs are full of a mix of high and low pieces, but no one would ever be the wiser. The secret is to invest your money in a few quality pieces and then swap out the low-end items over time. This will create a design that's unique and personal to you. As always, I'm saving the best for last, so make sure that you watch to the end. For anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration to make your home look like you hired a designer. If you love all things interior design, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I really think you'll enjoy. Links to shop, follow, and learn with me are in the description below. There's also a blog post with all this information that you could save to Pinterest and refer back to at any time. Disclaimer, this video contains affiliate links. Now let's get started. You may not know this, but West Elm and Pottery Barn are both owned by Williams Sonoma Inc. They run as separate brands, but they're both full of stylish furniture and decor. West Elm is known for being modern and contemporary, and the price point's a little bit better. Pottery Barn has classic and timeless pieces. Their prices are a little bit higher. Both are full of ways to create memorable moments in your home. Here are 7 decorating ideas you could duplicate on a budget. Number 1. Neutral statement sofas. Both West Elm and Pottery Barn have stylish neutral sofa ideas in ivory, beige, gray, or leather. The beauty of designing around a neutral sofa is it's the perfect foundation for any design style. It allows you to update the look of your room just by changing out your throw pillows, blankets, or decorative accents. You may be thinking there's no way that you could have a light colored sofa in your home, but with performance fabrics, you absolutely can. The sofa is one area I do recommend investing in a quality piece if possible. It'll be a part of your home for 7 to 15 years on average, so you're going to want it to last. That said, if you have it in your budget, Big Sur from Pottery Barn is a great option. It's a bestseller for a reason and is available in many layout options, including a fully reclining sofa. The Chase sectional was on display in the store and is on sale right now for anywhere between $4,500 to $5,300, depending on the fabric that you choose. It's super comfortable and stylish. If it's not in your budget at this time, no worries, you could get a similar look from Walmart for just over $650. And if you're still having second thoughts about the light color, there's also a light or dark gray option available. Speaking of gray, West Elm had this Chase sofa in gray velvet, which is stunning. It'll add a touch of modern sophistication and luxury to a room. Depending on the size and fabric, it'll cost you around $2,300, but Walmart has a similar look for less at a smaller scale for just under $500. It's available in gray, black, or pink for a pop of color. And for that price, you could totally go for the pink and change it out when you get bored without feeling guilty. Another way to update your living room is with a curved sectional like this one from West Elm for just under $2,600. It's upholstered in a nubby boucle fabric, which will add texture and a cozy feeling to your home. Walmart has a very similar curved boucle sectional for just under $1,900, which I also showed you in this Our House Walmart Dupes video. Curved sectionals are having a moment in interior design and work best in spaces where you're able to highlight the silhouette. The ideal placement is at least 2 to 3 feet away from the wall, but as with any sofa, you have to measure and do a floor plan to know it'll fit. That said, download a copy of the free floor plan PDF in the description below. You'll learn how to measure and create a floor plan like a pro so that you avoid returns and order with confidence. Number 2, coffee table ideas. The coffee table you choose will be at the center of your design and is another place to make a statement. Pottery Barn had this set of wood and metal nesting tables perfect for maximizing your square footage. They could be stacked together or spread apart depending on your needs. Mixed materials are great for adding interest and depth. The metal frame has a modern feeling while the wood adds warmth. You could get a similar look at a smaller scale from Walmart for just under $160. There was also this glass and gold coffee table that will make smaller spaces feel light and airy with its transparent design. The Pottery Barn coffee table costs almost $800, but you could get a very similar look for less from from Walmart for under $150. Again, the scale is the main difference, which works if you have a smaller space. You could also always double up, and most of the time the cost of 2 from Walmart is still less than 1 from the higher end store. West Elm had this marble and gold pedestal coffee table that would go perfect with the chase or the curved sectional. It's just under $800, but you can get it for less than half the price at Walmart at $365. Organic shapes are also trending, and they add movement and flow to a room. West Elm had this organic coffee table for under $600, but the Walmart look for less is less than $240. There's also a black or white version depending on your design style. If you don't know your design style, watch this video or take the quiz in the description below for help finding yours. Number 3, stylish accent chairs. If you've been following along, you know that accent chairs are a great way to elevate the look of any room. They could be placed as a pair or alone to create a moment in your interior design. If you have the classic sofa and love seat combo, move the love seat to another room and replace it with a pair of accent chairs for an updated look. Styles that stood out are this mid-century modern vegan leather chair from West Elm for $7.99, which you could get a very similar look from Walmart for just under $100. You can buy 2 chairs from Walmart and you'd still be at a third the price of 1 from West Elm. Anytime you see the word vegan, it means not real. So there was no animal cruelty in the making of these chairs, but West Elm does have the option of real leather as well if you prefer that. For a more traditional look, Pottery Barn has this English roll armchair for $1,500, which you could get the look for less at Walmart for just over $400. You can add a pair with a cute accent table between and you'll still be at less than 1 chair from Pottery Barn. Just saying. For more accent chairs, watch this video. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I really think you'll enjoy, so hit that bell to get a notification. Number 4, unique accent tables. Aside from providing a surface area, many accent tables look like a work of art with their stylish silhouettes, like this Pottery Barn side table for $200. The unique design will make a statement and be a conversation starter. Walmart has this gold accent table for $93 that'll give you a similar look for half the price. It could be styled between a pair of accent chairs on either side of your sofa or even next to your bed. Pottery Barn also had this stylish seat table for $200 that will add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living room. It's ideal for small rooms because it can slide under a sofa or chair to maximize your space. This Walmart seat table has a similar feel and will only cost you $50, which is fabulous. I personally love West Elm for stylish accent tables and have 2 from there in my home. The link is in the description below if you're interested in checking them out. On this store visit, they had this super cute wood drink table with a sculptural silhouette for $130. You could get a similar vibe from this Walmart drink table for $63, but in my opinion, the West Elm drink table is affordable, and I honestly would just buy this style from there. The same goes for this organic drink table from West Elm that's on sale right now for $90. This is another one that you're most likely not going to find a dupe to beat the price because it's already so good. West Elm also had this pedestal moment that you could get as a set for $250 in a light or medium wood tone. Groupings of accent tables are trending, which again, I showed you in depth in last week's video. You could get a similar feel from this set of 3 at Walmart for $275 or the pedestal style for $80, which still costs less than the West Elm table that's $120. Number 5, creating moments with bar cards. One of the first things that caught my eye when I walked into Pottery Barn was this cute bar card. This is another piece that'll add function and style to your room. Not only will it keep your alcohol organized, but it's another place to decorate and show off your unique style. You could change it out for the seasons like this one that's styled with cute Halloween decor. If you're like me and don't drink, then you could always use it as a coffee or a tea station as well. The Pottery Barn bar cart is almost $450, but you could get a similar look at Walmart for $100. Just to give you an idea of how much you can save by shopping at Walmart, this high-end moment with a few pieces we've seen so far would cost you almost $9,000, while the look for less is a fraction of the price at just over $1,350. This is just one example of how you could get the same vibe and a curated look by doing your research. Number 6, changing the color palette with pillows and throws. One of the most affordable ways to decorate and make a big impact is by updating your color palette with throw blankets and pillows. Another reason why it's a good idea to start with a neutral sofa is because you can easily change the look whenever you get bored or as the seasons change. Pottery Barn was full of pillows and blankets that had a cozy feeling, which you could duplicate the look for less at Walmart. Pillows can also be used as a jumping off point to create your color palette, which I showed you in this video. Number 7, organic vases and decor. Less is more when it comes to decorating, and using a few organic vases with decor can really make a big impact. Pottery Barn and West Elm were full of inspiration, but as you've seen throughout this video, you could get the look for less from Walmart. I saved my favorite affordable vases to my Walmart storefront, so you should definitely check those out. The trick is to layer different sizes and textures with foliage for a curated look. Lastly, with Halloween right around the corner, I saved my favorite seasonal decor that'll get you in the spirit but still has an elevated look. Many of these are at a fraction of the price of Pottery Barn, so you could shop guilt-free and have fun. These are just a few decorating ideas that'll help you get the most out of your budget. If you're looking for a more in-depth, step-by-step guide to make your home look expensive and like you hired a designer, click the link in the description below. In my course, Design a Home 101, you'll learn everything from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a home feel complete. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these home decorating ideas and got inspiration for your next project. No matter your budget, there's always a way to make your home look expensive. Less is more when decorating your home, and don't be afraid to mix high and low because no one will know if you don't tell them. Remember, good design takes time, so don't rush the process. Links to everything shared are in my LTK shop and Walmart storefront, which you can access by clicking the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below what you'd like to see next. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video. Love you all so much and happy designing.